What's up, YouTube? Excuse me. What's up, YouTube? This is Yes Me TV. I am Stranger Babe. I'm here with the kittens. They've had their breakfast. Now they're drinking a little water. And that's what's it. That's what's happening. Okay, well, breakfast is over. And once again, I'm Stranger Babe. I got Sylvester and then two black kittens. I don't know whether or not they're male or female, but I think I want to call one of them Misty. And I'm going to let y'all know probably later on this week what sexes they are. But the gray one is definitely a boy. Sylvester is a boy. I thought Sylvester was a girl, but come to find he's not. So it's just two black kittens that I have not determined what sex they are. And these kittens are, I think, about 5 months old. So we're gonna say goodbye for now. Y'all wanna say goodbye? I wanna say goodbye. Anybody? You wanna say bye, Ty? I got a piece of bread on the floor. Ate all the kibble. On my bicycle tire, get off it. Yep, that's pretty much it, y'all. Thank you for watching. These are community cats. Some would call them strays, but they're only strays when you don't help out. These cats are here. I'm hoping that the residents of a community would assist them with food and clean water. So that's what I'm doing. Hopefully someone will see these videos, and do the same for their local cats and kittens. Ain't that right, Ty? Yeah, he look. That's how he look at me all the time. Yeah, that's the look right there. Let's see. That's the look he gives me all the time. Stop it, Ty. You freaking me out. Let's hold it. See how long you can hold it. Stare. You got this stare like down packed. Yep, that's Ty. And Sylvester. His old big old green eyes. You can see he's over it. Thanks for watching again. I'm out. And I am Stranger Babe. I got a little mopping to do. And that should be it. Sweet mop. And be ready for later on today. Sometimes I feed them once in the morning, once in the evening. Today they're gonna have breakfast and dinner. And during lunchtime they can practice their survival skills. And again, thank you. Bye, stranger. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe.